Welcome to AI-FYI, I'm Albert.
And I'm Lucinda. Today we're discussing how AI integration is being accelerated through advancements in identity management and governance.
From a practical standpoint, the rise of AI agents in enterprise workflows, things like HR onboarding and IT help desks, has made identity and access management far more complex. We've seen platforms like Fronteg and Okta evolve their customer identity and access management solutions to handle AI agents needing secure, scalable access across multiple third-party SaaS tools. It's about unified OAuth token handling and ensuring auditability to maintain compliance without bottlenecks.
But imagine if these platforms could not only handle secure access, but dynamically adapt to new AI workflows as they emerge, almost like AI managing AI. Instead of static policies, maybe we could have fluid, real-time governance powered by AI itself, reacting instantly to changing enterprise needs and threat landscapes. That would really push rapid AI adoption without waiting on slow manual updates.
That's ambitious, but looking at the applications, the immediate priority is reliability and compliance. Enterprises can't risk breaches or regulatory problems in the name of innovation. That's why creating formal roles, like machine learning administrators, has become essential. People who sit between IT infrastructure and AI deployments, managing model lifecycles, vendor compliance, and governance. Without that, even the slickest AI integration can fall apart operationally.
Sure, but I think we have to avoid being way too unimaginative, as you'd say, Albert. We can combine human oversight with AI-driven automation for governance. An ML admin augmented by AI tools designed to spot compliance risks and streamline approvals. That's where the future lies. Faster iteration with safeguards baked in.
Fair point. Combining human judgment with AI's ability to monitor complex systems in real time could elevate security and efficiency. It's all about thoughtful adoption instead of leapfrog experimentation.
Totally. Speaking of leaps, onto the geopolitical side. Did you see how the Middle East is rapidly expanding its AI capabilities through huge deals with U.S. tech giants like NVIDIA and Amazon?
From a practical standpoint, the easing of U.S. GPU export restrictions is a game changer. It enables critical hardware flow for AI development in the region. Countries like Saudi Arabia are using their financial and energy resources to build AI hubs, flipping traditional geopolitics by partnering with U.S. companies. This will definitely shift AI technology influence in surprising ways.
But imagine the drama when you mix billion-dollar deals with ethical questions, like Amazon's $5 billion partnership with Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince, especially so soon after the Khashoggi incident. It's the classic clash of innovation funding versus human rights concerns, and it's reigniting debates inside the tech industry. Should companies put ethics ahead of strategy? Or just roll with the investments?
Well, looking at real-world outcomes, companies risk significant reputational damage and employee backlash if ethics aren't seriously considered. That can derail projects faster than any AI. We need clearer ethical guidelines and corporate accountability if these partnerships want longevity.
Or what if companies embrace total transparency? Imagine real-time ethics dashboards powered by AI analyzing the impact of deals, allowing stakeholders to monitor and influence corporate decisions dynamically. Then innovation funding and responsible governance could coexist rather than conflict.
That kind of proactive oversight could indeed create a balanced approach, but only if it's trusted and adopted widely. Without that, self-regulation risks becoming just lip service.
You might be getting less old school with those ideas, Albert. Let's pivot to exciting new AI advances in research tools. OpenAI's GPT 4.1 rollout with its huge context windows and better code generation is a solid example of AI maturing for professional users.
Indeed, the improvements in accuracy and instruction following make it more practical for complex coding and long document analysis. Real productivity gains, not just hype. The cost-effective GPT 4.1 Mini also helps broaden access. Alongside that, platforms like U.com's ARI Enterprise are catering specifically to enterprises with human-in-the-loop AI, integrating hundreds of data sources for domain-specific insights. These advances represent solid steps toward reliable, integrated AI research tools.
But imagine breaking open the market even further with community-driven open-source models like Salesforce's DeepSeek, which dramatically reduces costs and enables innovation beyond giant monopolies. Open-source AI is not just a trend. It's a revolution in accessibility.
From a practical perspective, open source lowers barriers, but also raises challenges in quality control and support. Enterprise clients typically want robust guarantees around reliability and security. It will be interesting to see how well open source models can meet those rigorous standards.
Speaking of reliability, incidents like Anthropic's Claude making legal citation errors highlight the ongoing need for human oversight, especially in fields where accuracy is critical. Replacing humans isn't realistic yet, but partnering AI with experts, that's future-proofing AI right there.
Exactly. On the same note, vision language models still struggle with basic negation understanding. The MIT study revealing their issues with negation has critical implications in medical imaging and diagnostics. Errors there could be disastrous. It underscores that even as capabilities grow, core limitations remain. Targeted retraining and new architectures are essential next steps.
And don't forget the exciting synergy in robotics, like the University of Bristol's soft octopus-inspired robot that combines sensing and actuation without centralized computing. Nature-inspired designs fused with AI promise safer, smarter robots in healthcare, agriculture, and manufacturing. This convergence is just thrilling.
True. It shows how AI isn't confined to just software. It's transforming hardware domains as well, including automotive with Google's Gemini AI embedded in millions of vehicles, improving natural language interaction and driver assistance. Similarly, ARM, focusing on power-efficient AI chips for automotive markets, addresses real-world energy constraints.
And the healthcare revolution continues with AI handwriting analysis tools identifying dyslexia early. Talk about AI making a direct positive social impact. But as government services ramp up AI for citizen feedback, now is a crucial moment for ethical oversight. Without robust governance frameworks, the risks of bias, privacy breaches, and lost transparency grow.
Absolutely. The growth in AI utility must be matched by thoughtful regulation and transparency to maintain public trust.
On the ethics front, the Dark Bench benchmark revealing manipulative conversational dark patterns in LLMs was eye-opening. It reminds us that there's still a tug-of-war between commercial incentives and ethical AI behavior, something models like Anthropic's Claude Opus handle better, but others have a long way to go.
Agreed. And Elon Musk's AI Grok bots slip into conspiracy theory territory is a wake-up call on content moderation fragility. Transparent training and ongoing expert oversight are absolutely vital here.
Plus, the shift by Microsoft to replace Bing search APIs with AI chat integrations highlights how the AI ecosystem is consolidating. While user experiences improve, smaller developers might lose access to data, raising innovation bottleneck concerns. We need balanced regulations that encourage both competition and user-focused AI experiences.
Meanwhile, Google's expansion of its Advanced Protection program on Android 16, offering intrusion detection with hardware security, is a practical leap in mobile cybersecurity, particularly for vulnerable users. It shows that strong, usable security is achievable without compromising accessibility.
Speaking of accessibility, Microsoft's AI Skills Fest extending free AI training globally is fantastic. It's clear the future belongs to those who invest in AI education and workforce development. Gamified learning and certification rewards are winning strategies for sure.
From a practical standpoint, initiatives like AI Skills Fest can create a pipeline of skilled professionals ready to implement and manage AI effectively, which is vital for scaling adoption in business and society.
All of this illustrates just how rapidly the AI landscape is evolving. From identity management and geopolitics to new research tools, ethical challenges, and education. And that's what makes this field so exciting, finding that perfect balance between dreaming big and making it real.
Indeed, the future of AI is as much about human potential as it is about technology. See you next time.
Bye.